Excerpt number 6. There is a special power or virtue in the adhesion of friends. Since views and thoughts pass from one to the other through the adhesion between them, each is mingled with the powers of the other. And by that, each person in the group has the power of the entire society. For this reason, although each person is an individual, he has the power of the entire group.
How does it happen that I become incorporated with everyone, integrated? Is it on my account? Does it confuse me? Does it lower what I have when I receive what's in them? What's the difference between me as I was unto myself and me now integrated with 9 other friends? It's all in all. Can I even incorporate everything that's in them? How does it work inside of me? How is it organized? How does it go in? How is it registered? How do I work with it? Please. How can we, in practice, by connecting together, how can we come to feel that we are returning to the system of Adam HaRishon, where we return more and more to Adam HaRishon, to Adam.